So sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to go ahead and add in notes in specific emails inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, you need to first of all add in an add-on called XNote. So to do that, you need to go around onto the tools menu and then go to settings right here, and then you need to go around onto add-ons and themes section, and then go around over here onto the extension section, and on the top type in XNote right here and press enter. So once you do that, it opens up the add-on space right here, and you can see XNote is here at the top, that is XNote++. So let's just go around and add this to Thunderbird right here and click on the add button right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go around over here and you can see that XNote++ is over here. So now in order to add a note to a particular mail, you can simply right click and XNote actually pops up. So you can go around and create a note. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this is a sample security note right here. Let's say, for example, let me just go around and close, and you can see that it has been marked as yellow, meaning there is a note to it. So if I were to go around and open up, you can see that there's a tag which is there. So this is a sample security note, and it pops up over here as well, and I can expand this out as well right here. And then I can also go around and right click, and if I were to go to the create note, then I can simply go ahead and then add in another note right here, close it, and then over here you got the note for this one as well. So this one has a note right here just like this, and this one has a note as well. So if I were to go around onto XNote, now for the emails with notes, you can delete the note or modify the note. So let me just go around and modify the note, and you get the note back right here, and you get the other option right here as well, like you can search in notes and so forth and get more details on how you can utilize it right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the XNote add-on inside of Thunderbird in order to add in notes and mails in Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.